I feel like a total coal miner today. So you look at my face, my neck, my arms. Look at this. This is just from polishing aluminum today. I've never done polished aluminum wheels like this before. These wheels I got from my brother a couple weeks ago, about $100. Pretty good deal on these little, bullet hole type aluminum wheels. $100. I've been wanting them for a while. I wasn't gonna pay the money. It's good. They're gonna go on my 4-wheel drive blue truck. I got them from him, and he had already done an aluminum wash, an aluminum brightener on it, whatever you want to call it, a Zeppelin type stuff, and it took it back down to the raw aluminum finish. So I needed to bring them back to a high shine, which is what I did. So first off, we got the Renegade Products aluminum mini kit. It comes with a brown bar of rouge, a green bar of rouge, an orange wheel to use with the green bar or the brown bar, a yellow wheel to use with the brown bar, 2 applicator pads, and a couple of microfiber cloths that go with it. It also comes with a bottle of Rebel Pro Red Heavy Cut Metal Polish. I'm also using my Makita 9227C. I'll link the Renegade Products aluminum mini kit and Makita. I'll even link the 3M face mask, safety goggles, all that good stuff. I'll link that down in the description below so you can look those up if you want to. That's the products that I used for this. Renegade Products is absolutely amazing. You need to check them out, even if you just get the hand heavy cut polish for your aluminum wheels. This company is a how-to company. They tell you how to use their product. This is not one of those, oh, buy our products because it's the best in the world. It's one of those, here's how we use it, here's how you can use it. Put it on, do it right. Renegade Products has product reviews, has tutorials on their website. They have them on their YouTube channel that are very, very detailed. Or you can go watch the many other guys that do these different polishing. I'm not a professional polisher. This mini kit comes with everything you need except for the Makita and a couple of, maybe some extra cloths. It comes with a 2-step process. The brown cutting bar, the orange cutting pad, the green cutting bar, the yellow cutting pad, applicator pads, microfiber cloths, and some heavy cut hand polish. This stuff absolutely works amazing. I'm going to show you some before pictures, and I didn't take a whole bunch of them, but it's some before and some comparison with the same set of wheels. I've got one wheel here that's probably going to really kick my butt, but it is what it is. I mean, these things, who knows how long these things are on a vehicle with wheel weights and all that stuff on there. But this is absolutely amazing. So look at these wheels. Go check out their products. And like I said, there'll be a link down in the description for what you need. Thanks.
I forgot to mention that this Renegade Products mini kit, aluminum polishing kit, also comes with the safety flanges that you'll need when you mount this to your Makita angle grinder.